So let's check out the main features of GAL-1, and here we see the grille, which is the one that existed in the GAZ M-1 of the first generation. Then we can see the leaf springs, which are now look pretty much obsolete, but those days, or back in the days, it was pretty much a nice technology. It was a standard thing. Then here we can see the rims, which are like the spoked rims. So the next project of GAL-1 received some other type of rims, but here we can see like the spoked wheels. Then it's like a single seater, and so the cockpit is, well, I believe it's pretty much basic. It has got only the crucial things which are necessary to keep it driving, and we can see the windscreen, which allows you to get the car more streamlined, and it could also contribute to setting the land speed record. So here you can see this is about the hood, and so in order to open it, you just lift it from that side. And here we got the rear part, which is also like a streamlined, and well, here we can see the fuel cap, so you just take it off and get the fuel into the car. And well, the restoration level is just amazing. And here we can see also, yeah, right, you get it here, so the rear leaf spring as well. And here we have like a step for the driver or the pilot. And also here, well, this is like the front suspension, so it's pretty much straightforward, maybe in some way like agricultural, but still, this is just some poetry in motion and pure elegance. Yeah, this is the legend. This is GL1. It's, I don't know, I just cannot say what's the meaning of that car for the, for the national car history.